Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds the good work done by police during COVID-19 pandemic. Nagaland Governor, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister extend greetings on the occasion of Teachers' Day. 13 teachers across Nagaland conferred state-level Teachers' Award. And Nagaland reports 41 fresh cases of COVID-19, taking the tally to 4,107. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today asked the IPS professionals to be proud of the uniform of police personnel and said the human face of khaki uniform has been engraved in the public memory due to the good work done by the police, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Interacting with IPS professionals through video conferencing, he said the IPS in their profession always must be vigilant and prepared for unexpected things and ask them to speak to their near and dear like their teachers and to reduce stress. As many as 131 IPS professionals, including 28 women, completed their 2-year-long training at the academy. About 58% of the IPS professionals are engineers, while 10% have science education background and 23% have degrees in arts and commerce. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi has extended greetings and felicitations to the teachers across the state on the occasion of Teachers' Day tomorrow. In his message, Ravi said, teachers must have understanding contributions in building the society and shaping students' personality to make them ideal citizens of the country. He said teachers guide and inspire people, execute the responsibility of creating awareness and open the mind of the people by instilling good values, morals and ethics. Ravi said, as a society, our goal must be to create responsible citizens who are capable of preserving the good of the past and creating a better future. He also said extraordinary pandemic situation has created challenges for teaching for which teachers who feel inhibited by technology will have to learn the online teaching and class management. Governor Ravi further wished all the teachers for their dedication and commitment to the great cause of educating the youths. Extending greetings to the teaching community of the state, Chief Minister Nipidio said, teaching profession does not merely involve the process of teaching a child from books but also inculcating moral values and life skills. He said since time immemorial, the relationship between a teacher and his pupil is considered almost sacred. Rio said today, as the whole world struggles with the COVID-19 pandemic, the role played by teachers has also undergone a paradigm shift, compelling them to use various communication technologies to reach out to students and impart education. Chief Minister Rio exhorted the teachers to keep themselves updated with the latest technologies, information and teaching techniques so as to meet the high expectations of the students. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Button extended Teachers' Day greetings to all teachers. Button said that teachers are responsible for shaping the future of every student and therefore they have to be respected and honored. Terming teaching as the noblest profession, Button encouraged the teachers to put in their best efforts in imparting value-based quality education despite the difficult current situation. On the occasion, Advisor School Education Katie Sukalo said, COVID-19 pandemic has ushered in many challenges, but one must seek out opportunities to learn new things and adapt to new circumstances. The advisor said education has always been at the forefront of innovation and knowledge. Meanwhile, Naga Students Federation has extended greetings on the occasion of Teachers' Day. The federation acknowledged the invaluable contributions of the teachers towards students' community. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, 13 teachers from across the districts have been conferred a state-level Teachers' Award. This was announced by Advisor of School Education, K.T. Sukalo. The State Teachers' Awardees includes Vimilino Kirha of GHS Chakama, Nang Hung Jemla Ongpang of GHSS Zemenu, T. Newpoa Konyak of GPS Dizit Village, Mon Katito Kadiri of GMS Vajihopek, William Button of GHS Longsa Woka, Lal Bahadur Usuk of GHSS Tangjam Twensang, Ogram Sundar Singh of Public School Zavara Kohima, Bikash Sonar of Little Star HSS Dimapur, Rono Joy D. Roy of Queen Mary HSS Mukukchung, Davinto K. Simi of Cornerstone School Zonopato, Sunny KU of St. John's School Keusam Kifere, Sanjib Pal of Pom Lembong School Longling, and Bijumon Matthew of St. Paul's School Noklak. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. In Nagaland, 41 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been reported today. As per Health Department's COVID-19 Bulletin, 23 cases were reported from Dimapur, 17 from Kohima, and 1 from Pek. Of the 41 cases reported today, 14 were from the armed forces, 11 each from returnees and traced contacts, while 5 amongst frontline workers. In addition, 37 COVID-19 patients have recovered, improving the recovery rate to 81.59%. The recovered persons were 25 from Kohima, 8 in Dimapur, 3 from Zonoputo, and 1 from Woka. The state has now a total of 4,107 cases, out of which 730 are asymptomatic and 6 mild cases, while 3,351 have recovered. Press Information Bureau Guwahati today organized a webinar on stress management during corona pandemic. Speaking on the issue, consultant diabetologist, Sun Valley Hospital, Apollo Clinic, Dr. Rupam Chowdhury said that the level of anxiety and stress in the lives of people has increased during this period of corona pandemic due to a number of reasons like social isolation, financial problems, altered sleep cycles, fear of contracting the disease, or fear of health of loved ones. He emphasized on focusing on positive thoughts, regular exercise, stay connected with family and friends. Consultant cardiologist of Hayat and Swagat Hospital, Dr. Chandra Kumar Das said anxiety and stress are causing drastic fall in immunity levels, causing aggravation of heart diseases. Additional Director General North East Zone, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, SN Prathan said that due prevailing situation, lifestyle of people has undergone a drastic change this year and has had different effects on different individuals. In this, he said, central government has been using social media proactively to disseminate various protocols and advise on management of health in these times. Prathan said media should reach out such information to the people in a sustained manner than is being done presently. Supreme Court today rejected for the second time a request to postpone the engineering and medical entrance exams, joint entrance exam, and national eligibility cum entrance test on account of coronavirus crisis. This time, 6 opposition-ruled states had asked the apex court to review its earlier order and put off the exams. Directorate of Women Resource Development, Nagaland, has informed that under the financial assistance to destitute women, those beneficiaries who are yet to open bank account are asked to open personal bank account from any commercial bank and submit a photocopy of the same to the office on or before 30th of September. Additional Director and HOD of Women Resource Development, Vilone Sakre, said this will enable transfer of the pension amount directly to their respective bank accounts. He said beneficiaries who already have existing bank accounts with any commercial bank may also submit photocopies of their bank passbook within the given period. Beneficiaries failing to submit the required bank details within the given period will be dropped from the assistance. The HOD further requested the partner NGOs of the department to aid the elderly beneficiaries or beneficiaries with disabilities in opening bank accounts in their respective districts. And now to the news, here are the main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds the good work done by the police during COVID-19 pandemic. Nagaland Governor, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister extend greetings on the occasion of Teachers' Day. 13 teachers across Nagaland conferred state-level Teachers' Award. And Nagaland reports 41 fresh cases of COVID-19, taking the tally to 4,107. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.